What's up guys, it's me, your Geek from Hong Kong. If you own a LG K4 2017 edition case, then here are the top 5 LG K4 2017 edition case. The number 5th case is from Tikku. Yeah, Tikku simple beautiful looking case. This is a honeycomb case, which means the case is quite grip, is not going to slip off from your hand. And number four case is from Nagabi, a simple beautiful case with a fake carbon fiber. And number three is a flip case. You can look at the brown color, it's amazing beautiful case for less than 10 bucks. And number two a simple beautiful case from TJS. And number one, my favorite, a simple beautiful case come with a belt holster which can double as a stand, and then come with a screen protector in a camo woodland pattern. So all of the case links are in the description box. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and follow.